Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of economics of class 9th. The title of the chapter is The Story of Village Palampur. In the previous video, we have learned about ways to grow more from the same land, that is multiple cropping and modern farming method. In this video, we are going to discuss about the effects of using chemical fertilizers, land distribution, farm labor, etc. Effects of using chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers provide minerals which dissolve in water and are immediately available to plants. But these minerals may not be retained in the soil for long. They may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, rivers, and lakes. Continuous use of chemical fertilizers has led to degradation of soil health. Now, farmers of Punjab are forced to use more and more fertilizers and other inputs to achieve the same production level. That is, the cost of cultivation is rising very fast. Land distribution. In Palampur, all the people engaged in agriculture did not have sufficient land for cultivation. Out of 450 families in Palampur, 150 families are landless and most of them are Dalits. 240 families out of those which own land cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares, which does not bring adequate income to the farmer family. So they have to look for additional work during rest of the year or rest part of the year. Remaining 60 families of medium and large farmers cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. A few of them have land extending over 10 hectares or more. Who will provide the labor? It means farm labor. Farm laborers come either from landless families or families cultivating a small plot of land. Unlike farmers, farm laborers do not have a right over the crops grown on the land. These laborers can be paid in cash or in objects like crops. Sometimes they get meals also. There is also a wide variation in the duration of employment. The laborers may not be hired for the full year or for the whole year. They may be hired on a daily basis or for particular activities like sowing and harvesting. There is a heavy competition for work among the farm laborers in Palampur, and so they agree to work for for lower wages. It means there is a heavy competition for work among the farm laborers in Palampur, and so they agree to work for lower wages. The Indian government has set 300 rupees per day as the minimum wage, but farmers in Palampur pay only 160 rupees per day to farm laborers. Consequently, farm laborers are the poorest among the villagers. The labor looking for opportunities thus migrates to neighboring villages, towns, and cities for better opportunity or for better employment. Some laborers have also entered in the non farm sector in the village, and some live on the mercy of money lenders. In the next video, we will discuss about capital needed in farming and sale of surplus farm products.